Test, cricket analogy. So, what has online business and international test cricket got in common? Well, you're about to find out. And the idea for this particular post and this particular video came from my love of cricket. And there you've got a gorgeous view of a match of cricket taking place in the evening under floodlights. And for those of you who are not aware, and do you actually exist, a test is an international cricket match that can last up to 5 days, and that's 38 hours playing time in total. And tests are only played amongst nations that play at the very top level of cricket. And at the end of that time, of the 5 days, a draw and a tie is still possible. So that's it. After 5 days, a tie or a draw is still possible. Obviously, win and lose is possible, but a draw is also possible. And that's the 5-day match is called a test. And precisely why? Because it's that. It's a test of willpower. It's a test of abilities. It's a test of concentration and a test of willpower. And that list could go on and on. So how is building an online business like a cricket match? Now, building an online business is a series of tests and hurdles which will be encountered in the natural flow of things. They'll just crop up. Stuff happens and you'll be tested. Now, some of these tests are out of your control when the software, for example, for whatever whimsical reason, doesn't work. And before I move on, this is a young man playing on a beach, and it's what we call a sticky wicket. And playing cricket on a sticky wicket is not easy. And in fact, it's like building an online internet business. So then you're in the hands of the techies and you're stuck in the middle, and sorry, that's another cricketing pun, but who do you trust? How can you tell who's telling the truth? And what objective measures can you bring to bear? Now, this is the problem I've got at the moment. I've got a bit of a problem on one of my sites, and it is causing a problem because this set of techies are saying this and this set of techies are saying that, and they're both contradicting each other. Now, I'm viewing this particular situation as a test, and a test of my willpower and ability to see a way around the problem with or without the help of the techies. And it is frustrating, and it's annoying. But I will see it through because I'm determined. So, conclusion. Building an online business is undoubtedly a test. Test match cricketers are a wily, street-smart professional bunch. And these characteristics are needed as well to build an online business. So, the conclusion of all of that is test match cricket is like building an online business. It takes time, application, and not little skill.